Hi everyone and welcome to AG Algo Lab. In this video I will show you how to send messages using Python and requests via your Telegram bots. So in the last video we saw together how to create your personal Telegram bot and how to get your token and your chat ID. So if you haven't seen this video, I encourage you to look at it. It's the previous video available on my playlist Algo Trading. Yeah. And so here also you will have another link in the description, which will be the code we're going to study together. So you can just copy and paste and follow with me instead of just pausing the video each and every time I'm writing something. I think it's easier for you to follow this way. So now let's start. First, you will have to import requests. Then you will create a function, send messages, so you will be able to call it each and every time you want to send a Telegram message using your bot. And as an argument, you will write message, and then you will write token equals the token between guillemets, because we want a string as a token. So here, Control C, guillemets, and we put the token, and then the ID. And here we want an integers, so of course no guillemets. Then you will put in a variable also URL, and the URL will be https api.telegram.org/bot. And now you will put the token of your bot, so token here, /send message. And so after you create a dictionary, so this URL will be very useful when you will execute your request. This is the URL for your request, and this is, oh, it's not date, it's data. I want also to put in a variable data the ID, because here we use the token but not the ID yet, and also the message here. So we will create a dictionary with chat up between guillemets also chat ID dot double dots ID, comma, and here we will put text dot message. Yeah. Then we're going to execute the request. So request dot post, and here, as you will see, URL, ensuite next, sorry, data, and then yeah, Johnson and so on. So request dot post URL, then data equals data, and then timeout equals, let's say, 10. So it means that if the request is not executed in 10 seconds, then it will stop and it will end up as an error, we will get an error. So we will put this in a try except exception as E. If there is an exception, it means we will print error, for instance, error, ensuite, and after we will print E, so the error that we got. And then if we call the function, so for instance, I want to say a message that says hello world, and then if I run this, I already just listen, I will get a notification. Okay, I haven't got the notification. That's weird. Okay, so I just checked my code, and there is actually a problem, and I didn't get the error because here I haven't put Telegram but Telegram. I misclicked. So here, if I put Telegram, normally now you can listen again. You see here, now we hear something here. Voila, so we have the hi, because yeah, but I will write again hello world, for instance. So this is really useful if you want to be aware about what's going on in the market and so on. You can, for instance, send a message to each and every time a position has been taken or something, and so on. Here, we will use in the next video the official API, so we will be able to send pictures. See here, function take pictures, send documents, so CSV and so on. So yeah, it's like more advanced. So yeah, if you are interested in this, I encourage you to look at the next video in 1 week. So now I'm saying you bye bye and thank you for watching.